Today we are how to design color grading for storytelling images. Open your photo in Photoshop and first study the scene carefully because storytelling color always supports emotion and narrative. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and scroll through LUT presets slowly while watching how each one shifts the mood. Choose a preset that strengthens the story tone, whether it feels warm, dramatic, or calm. Reduce opacity so the effect blends naturally into the image. Subtle control is what makes storytelling edits believable. Next, add a curves adjustment layer and gently refine contrast so light directs attention toward the main subject. Toggle both layers